Только звездочки зажили на закате в час.
What's up, everybody? This is Wild and Free, aka Mr. Lee. I'm sure you guys wondering why I keep reversing that, but I like how it sounds. Anyway, I figured I would do a video from inside of the car, give you like a rear seat view. I'm using the GoPro Hero4. I love the camera. I love it. And oh, my brakes on. Good thing about them Chevy brakes, Chevrolet GM Performance, high performance. Gotta love it, baby. Gotta love it. So, I wanted to give you a up-to-date review on the tires. Shout out to Online Car Stereo. You asked me, I want to say it was last night or the night before, how were the tires handling and performing since I had them installed on my vehicle. Well, I responded to you, and I responded to someone else like, look, hands down one of the best tires I have had on a high performance vehicle in all of my years of driving. If you don't know, I'm in a 2017 Camaro SS 1LE. This is Chevrolet's track performance sports vehicle. It's not the ZL1 and it's not the ZL1 1LE. I like both of the other vehicles that I just mentioned. I love them, especially, I mean, you have 650 horses to the crank. I mean, who wouldn't love that in a vehicle that's designed to handle? I love it. Anyway, I bought this vehicle with intentions of doing several things to it, and basically building upon the design that Chevrolet engineers have already built and sent out and sold to the public. So a few weeks ago, I went ahead and purchased the Continental Extreme Contact 335 2520 tires for the rear, and the same brand type in size 295/30 20s for the front, and I also have a spare set of the 305/30 20s for the rear as well. And when I tell you that was like the best purchase that I could have made, it's the best purchase. The tires handle perfectly. I mean, they're soft, they're not loud. I mean, it's just an all-around great tire. When it comes to the rain, it's rained like the past 2 days. And on my way to work this morning, I was driving 10 miles past the speed limit. And the tires were going across water, no hydroplane. I went over puddles, no hydroplane. I mean, whatever I asked the car to do, it did it. As you can tell right now, it's not raining. I just left the car wash, and my tires are a little bit wet, but I don't have any issues. Now, right now, I'm driving on one of the main roads in the city that I live in, and like I say, hands down, I have nothing negative to say about this tire. I do have something that I would like to bring up to the tire company, Continental. Why didn't you guys make 335/30 20s? Why did you stop at 25? I just don't understand that part, but other than that, I love the tire. If you're in the market to purchase some tires, I would tell you to try out Continental. I know there's a whole bunch of people running Michelin Super Sports, Michelin Pilot Sports. Hey, no gripes or complaints about those that are doing it, but there's so many people out there running those tires. I wanted to be different, and I did my research. I gave it some thought, and I said, I'm pulling the plug. I'm going to go with Continental. And I am so glad that I made that decision. Like, I'm extremely happy. I read one review when I was getting ready to purchase these tires. A guy said that he took his car to the racetrack and he didn't even have to prep the tire. You know, you go out there, you do a burnout for a couple of seconds, and then you go down, whether it's 1/8 of a mile or 1/4 of a mile. It was like I'm going out there with my Continental Extreme Contacts, and I don't even have to do any tire prep. And I was like, wow, to say that you don't have to do tire prep, and you can get out there and you can go and you can make some decent passes, that's pretty good. So, like I said, with all that being said, I love these tires. And I'm thankful that they come out with the sizes that they do. I just wish they came out with the 335/30/20s. Michelin has the 335/30/20s, and I think Pirelli makes that size. Pirelli Scorpions, I believe they come in 335/30/20. And there's not too many other brands. So I'm hoping in the future that Continental will make the 335/30 tire in the 20-inch diameter. And if they don't, I might see if they would just make a set specifically for me, because I really truly love these wheels. I do. So I have the 305s when I want to go to the racetrack. The 335s, for those that don't know, that's a 13-inch wide tire. Now I'm sure I could go to the racetrack and go across the track in a 13-inch wide tire and maybe not have any issues. But I want a little bit more sidewall for when I do go to the racetrack, so that's why I purchased the 305/30s. So I have the 305/30s for the racetrack. I have the 335/25s for everyday driving. And as you see, today is Wednesday. I'm on my way home, and I'm driving this vehicle every day. And I literally don't have any complaints about the tire. None whatsoever. I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. So for those of you guys that wanted a review on the tires, Continental 335/25/20s, I give them an A+. Green lights all across the board, 5 stars. I really like the tire. I may not go with another tire anytime soon. I really don't have a reason to. So these are going to be the tires that are going to be on this car. And I don't know what I'm going to put on the car for a futuristic tire, but hopefully Continental will come out with some larger sizes, a different aspect ratio when it comes to the width, a different aspect ratio when it comes to the height. Height pertaining to sidewall. Excuse me for sneezing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I apologize for the sneezing towards the end. I don't really know where that's coming from, but allergy season is among us. And I was taking Sudafed like every day about a couple of weeks ago. So like I said, I appreciate you guys enjoying this video. I wish I didn't have all this traffic around me, because I would really, you know, probably cut a wheel. Like that. Oh, my gas light's on. I guess I need to get fuel. I'll get fuel tomorrow morning. I said I'm driving through traffic right now, 40 to 45 miles an hour. Tires handle perfectly. know how the regular Camaros handle, the 2SS and the 1SS. You guys that drive those, you can let me know. Drop a comment. Does your car handle like my car handles? I've seen plenty of videos, and I really haven't seen anybody in the regular SS's, you know, taking corners and taking curves. But I'm telling you, if that's what you enjoy doing, this is the car that you need to have. You need to have this car right here. And if you want the extra power and you can afford to pay about $30,000 more, because I paid $48,000 for mine. Actually, I'm lying. It was $48,000, and I got about $6 grand off, so I ended up paying $42,000 for it. But the Camaro ZL1 1LE, I think, runs at about 75 to 80,000. So if you can afford that and you like joyriding and taking corners and stuff like that, and you want to show off at the track, then you can go get one of those. But I'm happy in my 1LE. I have no problems taking off. I was just in third gear and I'm still going. I'm still launching it. So the tires are very responsive. Like I said, I cannot complain at all. Period. I am satisfied with my purchase. I hope this information helps a few of those out. I'm sorry. I hope this information helps a few of you out that are interested in the Continental tires. If you're interested in going from a 305 on your 1LE to a 315 or to a 325 or a 335, check out Continentals. It's a really good tire. They don't support me. I don't work for them. I'm just giving you my opinion on a company that has designed something really nice and really durable and really good for our vehicles. And you don't have to have a Camaro. You can have a regular car. You can have a truck. Continentals make tires for any type of automobile application. But this review is for these tires on this car, and I give it a thumbs up. I love them. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Stay tuned. I got some other stuff coming up. As always, I apologize. It's been a few days since I posted videos, but my brother's been busy. That's all I can say. My brother has been busy. Everybody be safe. Enjoy your day. Drop comments below. Like the video. Share the video. And please, if this is your first time watching this video and you like it, please subscribe. This is Mr. Wild and Free, aka Mr. Lee. Check it out.
Big, small, small, small.